how to solve this error 0x80300024. As you can see, if I want to create new partition, I'm unable to create partition. So still, as you can see, it is showing new partition, so I'm unable to create. So how to solve? Just simply go cancel this one from here, go to repair your computer, go to troubleshoot, go to command prompt. Now here type Diskpart and then type list disk. Now you will see here two partitions. One is my hard drive and other one is my flash drive that I'm using to install Windows. So I will type select disk 0. Now as you can see, it is selected. Now type clean. Now as you can see, it has been succeeded. So after that, just restart your computer and then try to install, and it will solve your issue.